welcome back to another video. Today I'll be reviewing the recent pair that I got from Nike. I got this through the Nike Park Access, yung for members only. You can actually sign up and then you'll receive an email if they are releasing new shoes. Usually hindi mo nabibili yung pairs na yun sa physical store. So I was able to get one. So this is my first Jordan 11 pair. I got it in the Legend Blue colorway. I'll show you the box. This is the box. So you can see yung Jumpman logo niya has a Legend Blue colorway. And then what's inside? Since I got it online kasi mas convenient if I purchase it online tapos nag-book na lang ako ng Grab to get it for me. So that hindi na ako pupunta doon physically to get the pair. Kasi mas convenient ka pagka pina-deliver mo na lang. So what's inside is this, yung actual receipt. And then the pair itself. Wala siyang extra laces, so usual shoes lang. As you can see, nadumihan na. Panasuot. Yung material niya is this glossy na patent leather if I'm not mistaken. Yung sa side na to, paikot siya. And then yung sa taas nun is yung leather. Tapos yung strips na pinagkakabitan ng shoelaces is mesh. And then thick yung rope laces niya. Tapos yung tongue niya is made out of mesh. Tapos yung tag niya sa gitna is color Legend Blue with the Jumpman logo in the middle. Tapos let's look at the insoles. Tatanggalin ko para makita nyo. May logo siya ng Jumpman and then the number 25. Why 25? Kasi nabasa ko it's for the 25th anniversary yata. So kaya 25 yun nandito. Pero if you check dito sa back ng shoes, may maliit na Jumpman logo ulit and then the number 23. Tapos later on, I'll show you how it looks like on feet. If you guys haven't seen my previous video, yung pag-unbox ko ng camera, I will link it up here. I'm actually using it now and I must say maganda naman siya. Maganda rin yung quality as you can hear me. Wala akong gamit na external mic or what. I'm just using the camera. And I think that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell so that you guys are updated whenever I'm uploading new videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!